Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Meena the Elephant from Sing. So let's get started. To draw this very shy elephant, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here. And draw another circle. So a little bit wider apart, because we have a big trunk we need to draw. So now with my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, now that our circle's in, let's come above each eye, and I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve that slants downwards. And same thing across. So about right here. Nice big curve right over the eyes. Then from there we're going to draw her trunk. So let's come up right in between her eyes, and I'm going to draw a curve right in between. And we're going to start to bring this down. So let's bring this nice and full at the top. And let's come over here, and I'm just going to bring this down. Bring this down. Come back and make it a little bit rounder. There. So now that we have that in, I'm going to come about right here. I'm just stopping for before, let's draw her mouth first. So let's come about right in here. I'm going to draw a curve for her cheek, and then come in here and draw a curve, and another curve coming in for her mouth. And I'll give it a little tongue right here and shade this part in. There. So before I finish the trunk, I'm going to come back and draw her face first. So let's come back to where her eyes are. I'm going to come out, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and same thing over here. And I'm going to draw a long curve. So just bring this down. So it's going to be narrower at the top, and it's going to come out about right here for some cheeks. And I'm aiming to bring it to about right here. So I'll just give myself a point. And I'll bring it in right there. So same thing on this side. So let's bring this out. Cheek area, and then bring this in. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And bring it in to frame her face. Then from there, now that we know where the bottom of her face is, I'm going to come right here, and I'll just bring this down a little bit more. And curve it out, and then round out the tip and connect for the rest of the trunk. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, I'm going to come right here and lightly draw some curves at the top of her trunk. And then let's see here, just bring this up. So like I said, the top is going to be a little bit narrower. So I'm going to bring this up to about right here, just center, and then curve back down to finish off her head. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, we need to draw her big elephant ears. So about right here, I'm going to come out, give it a little curve, come out, and bring it all the way down to about right there, and just gonna bring it in. So it's just nice and simple. So right here, I'm gonna bring this curve and just taper it off. So same thing on the other side. About right here, curve, dip in, right there, curve out. And I'm just going to drag a point across, approximate. And connect. And same thing right here. And taper it off. And so then from the top right here, we need to draw some hair. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to pop out these two lines, connect it, add a little band and some hair, zigzag out. So same thing here. For her hair at the top. Okay, so this part's all done at the top. Let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come right here. She's wearing a little hoodie, so I'm going to curve, then bring it in, and same thing here, curve, and bring it in right there. And then I'm going to come in about right here and draw angle line out. So nice and center. And before I finish everything else, I need to come back because I want her hands together because she's very shy, right? So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to give myself a straight line. So say about that much. And I'm going to round it off to draw her hands. Round it off. So same thing on this side. Right there for her elephant hands, and then about right here, we're going to cut it off with a curve. And cut it off. And let's come back in here and draw 3 curves going down, and same thing here for her hands. And so then now that we have that in, let's come over here and we're going to draw her sleeve. We're going to bring it past this line, then we're going to come out right here and pop out elbow and in. So continue that line and some curves. So same thing over here. So it's just going to come over here, sleeve, whatever space you have left, and pop this part out, and elbow right there. And once again, some creases right here. Then let's continue this through, bring it down, and so we're still continuing down nice and center, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect this with a slight wobble for the bottom. And then let's come to the center, and about right here really close, I'm going to add a little angle line and another straight line down to about right there. Then let's draw her legs, give a little bit of wobble, same thing here, and connect. And then for her feet, we're going to have them pigeon-toed. So let's come on this side first. We're going to draw a curve, and then the back, and connect. Add sole right here at the bottom, and a curve. So on this side, same thing, but we're just going to tuck it in. And here. There. So hopefully that makes it look like her feet are pigeon-toed together because she's so shy and so sweet, right? So now that we have that in, let's bring this down a little bit more. And that is pretty much it. I'm just going to add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Meena from Sing. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Meena here turned out from Sing, and that I've made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.